Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so I did another shopping haul. And the purpose of all of these shopping hauls is to show you that you need to go outside the grocery store that you always shop at and shop around, look around, and find who has prices better, so that you can beat that price, so that you can reduce your grocery bill, so you can put some savings in your pocket. Okay, so in the previous shopping hauls, you know, I did a case of chicken legs, I did shrimp, I did scallops, spare ribs, and today, oh, this is the best find yet, guys. And that's because I usually shop at Market Basket. If you listen to my videos, you'll know I always say Market Basket. Well, today I went outside my comfort zone and I went to another grocery food store. And this store was Foodland International. Foodland International. And they're in Lowell, Mass. And guess what I found? You're not going to believe it. Oh, you're not going to believe it. T-bone steak. Now, at my grocery store, Market Basket, you can pay anywhere from $12 to $15, sometimes more, for a T-bone steak. T-bone steak is very, very, very expensive. So follow me and let me show you what I actually got and how much. Okay, the first thing I want to show you, which I always do, is the receipt, because the receipt is the proof, right? Okay, so here's the receipt. One second, let me try to fold it down. Okay, this is Foodland International, okay, and here's some of the prices. Wait a minute, let me try, there we go. I'm going to hold it here a minute. Okay, alright, so now let me show you the T-bone steak and the prices, and tell you at the end how much I paid total. Oh, you are not gonna believe it. Let's do it, guys. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, and I'm doing this for you so that you now have the courage to go out and look at other stores. Just go in there and look. You never know, and see if you can beat some prices other than where you always shop. Okay, unless where you always shop has the cheapest price, great. Or maybe they have something on sale, great. Start getting the circulars from each store onto your phone. You can shop that way as well. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I opened this one first, and then the bell went off and said, hey, do another shopping haul video. So here's the T-bone steak I took out of this package here. And as you can see, the price says beef T-bone steak, $5.17. Can you see that? Would you believe that? Look at that. Let me show you the rest. Here's another one, $5.38. T-bone steaks, guys, that's what I'm talking about. Another one, $4.26. Can you believe it? Look how fresh it looks. Another one, $4.75. Another one, $4.82. Another one, $5.24. Another one for $4.75. Oh yes, you know I went all in soon as I seen these prices. Another one for $4.82, all T-bone steak. So total, I also bought 4 heads of corn. The corn was 2 heads for 2 corn on the cobs for $1. So I got 4 of them, which was $2. My total price, right here, 1 second. It's right here at the bottom. $41.39. Okay, for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 T-bone steaks for $41, including the corn on the cob that I bought, the 4 corn on the cobs. Now that is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. So you can see that you still can eat really good. You can even eat things that you wouldn't normally eat. Maybe you wouldn't normally be able to afford a T-bone steak, but at this price you can. It's cheaper than chicken. How about that, huh? Okay, also at the same store yesterday I got a bag of red onions. They had red onions or white onions. 10 pounds. 10 pounds. Look at the bag. I'm going to stand back so you can see it. Okay, 10 pounds for $3.99 right there. 10 pounds for $3.99. Now, and this is the same store, Foodland International. Okay, so you can clearly see shopping around works. Now normally a bag of onions, which is 2 pounds at my grocery store Market Basket, that would cost me somewhere around $2.99. if it's on sale, $1.99. I have 10 pounds. 10 pounds. Let me show you it. I picked the red onion. I could have gotten the white, but I picked the red. Okay? So, you know, onions is vegetables, right? So now you can see that I can go a very long way with my vegetables with these onions. And of course, you know, I'm going to show you every step of the way. Yes, I am. Okay, let me conclude. Okay, the word of the day. Grandma Ray is constantly showing you guys how to go out there and look for these bargains and stock up when you find these bargains, but don't overspend your weekly grocery allotment, okay? Because you're trying to save. So the point is if you do this, you know, eventually you'll have probably a variety of meats and vegetables and starch, and you won't have to keep running to the store. My motto is, remember, to go to the store every 2 weeks, not every week, okay? Unless you went to the store, you didn't spend all your money that you was planning on spending at the grocery store, and you had a lot of savings, and you may say, okay, well, let me go check this store out over here. I have a little bit left. I have maybe $20 left, and let me see how I can stretch that $20. That's the point, okay? I'm really trying to help you save. So do like me. Go out there and find those bargains and comment and let me know, would you? Okay, I look forward to that. That's a great word of the day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Thumbs up, please. Subscribe. Thanks. Hey guys, I said goodbye, but I came back to tell you this. A family of 2 can have a T-bone steak dinner for under $10. A family of 4 can have a T-bone steak dinner for under $20. Now that's what I'm talking about. Oh, a high-end meal on a low-end budget. Grandma Ray is out this time.